Hey, you have chosen the EUD12NPN-BT 600 watt. Here's a thumbs up from me. You're probably wondering how to get this thing up and running. Here you will get the answer from me. The control supply and switching voltage is 230 volts. For this reason, we connect the supply voltage to terminals L and N. The push wire is connected to terminal A1. We connect a universal push button here that controls the dimmer in pulses. A directional switch can also be connected here, taking into account the directional switch diode RTD. The polarity of the diode does not matter. It is also possible to connect a motion detector to terminal BM. The additional control inputs ZE and ZA allow for central on and central off control with priority and can be integrated into an existing central control system. For example, a panic switch can be implemented, allowing you to turn everything on with the press of a button. You have over 600 watts and want to dim? That's child's play. Additional power up to a total load of 3,400 watts can be connected to terminals X1 and X2. The configuration is typically done through the ELTAKO Connect app. We hold the button on the front for 6 seconds. The blue LED blinks, indicating that the dimmer is in pairing mode. Once you have successfully connected, you can configure the dimmer as desired. You can define the basic settings, the dimming behavior, and the switch-on behavior. You also have other device-specific options, for example with date and time, location, or changing the device pin. A special feature to highlight here is the integrated timer with time and astro function. The integrated timer has up to 10 program memory slots. Each memory slot can be assigned either a fixed switch time or the astro function with one of the new features. As you know from our dimmers, a short impulse can turn the light on and off. A long impulse can dim the light up and down. Furthermore, you have the option to determine the switch on and switch off speed and the dimming speed via the ELTAKO Connect app. Now I thank you for watching. I hope you had fun. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and feel free to leave a like as well. Until next time, bye